In this video, we will use the grid technique, which helps to accurately depict images in great detail by breaking them up into small, manageable sections. Choose an image that you would like to draw and what areas of the image you would like to focus on. We will be focusing on this area here. Use a ruler to create a grid over your desired area. We will be using a 5x6 grid divided into 1-inch squares. We will enlarge the area in our drawing by creating a 5x6 grid with 1.5-inch squares. To copy the image, focus on the shades, tones, and details of each individual square and how each square relates to each other. It is also helpful to use the square to map out the details of the overall image to ensure that your squares will line up at the end. Using this technique is sure to enhance your understanding of shades and tones and improve your ability to pay attention to detail. For more lessons in art, crafts, DIYs, tips, and tutorials, visit getboardbox.com and subscribe to our channel by clicking at the top. Thanks for watching!